Hey everybody, and welcome to Mama's Weeds. So today is a little overcast and we're expecting storms tonight, so mid-February is a perfect time to start digging up and dividing and transplanting your perennials. So what I'm going to do today, this is the big phlox, the panicle type, not the creeper type. So I planted one last year and it was kind of this area, so it spread and made all of this. So last year it filled this whole entire area right here of the porch railing. So I really don't want that many more. So I'm going to probably just keep this middle section right here. So I'm going to dig up these 3 babies. Over here we've got a bunch of little babies and I'm going to transplant them. And then of course give some away. Now if you dig these up and transplant and you don't have your flower bed ready yet, then you can just put them in a bucket with some dirt and kind of keep them maintained that way. But you really want to get them up before they start growing. So you're just going to kind of divide in, cut in with your shovel, and break the roots off from the main plant. See, it's soft digging. And the reason I'm doing this today is that rain's coming and it'll help get them set in. A lot of days like this, people think it's a good day to lay around and watch movies, but not for a gardener. So here we've got a fine specimen. So I'm going to put this one in a pot because I'm going to give it away. But if you're not giving any away, you can also just throw a little dirt on there and they'll be fine in there for a few months. And here's another one. When I cut them back in the fall, I don't cut them all the way to the ground. I leave a little bit of growth that you see right here. One, that kind of protects them from the cold elements. And 2, it helps you to establish where your plants are. You can cut those back once you get them planted if you want, or they'll blend in and you won't even see them. But you can see that they're all brittle and they're not hesitating to come off of there. Anyway, this will be a huge 3 foot by 3 foot pink flowering drought tolerant plant and you're gonna love it. Come back every year. All right, thanks for watching.